Welcome to Math Choice. Today we have a math puzzle which will be give to a student who will solve it. So the puzzle is 1 into 2 is 7, 3 into 6 is 31 and 6 into 3 is question mark. So we will give this question to a student who will solve it. So Mr. Hassan, you have to come here.
1 times 2 is equal to 2, and then we add 5 into it, it will be equal to 7, and 3 multiply 6, 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So sorry.
We can do this by adding 1 plus 2. This is equal to 3, and to get 7 we have to add 4 in it, so it's equal to 7. We can use the same rule over here. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, but if we add 4 into it, it is equal to 13, which means this is wrong. Sorry.
Sorry sir.
Sorry, sir.
Then to solve 2 1 plus
2.
So as you can see, this 1 and 2 comes, this becomes 12. So if we subtract 5 from 12, it becomes 7.
Everyone clap for Kamal Yunus because he sees this question in a different way. He sees this 12, 36 and 63. Sometimes complex problems are easier than we think. He wrote 12, 1, 2 as 12 and minus 5, so he get the 7. 36 into minus 5, he get 31. For 63, he minus 5 and he get 58. So correct answer here is 58. Thank you.